Right now, if I click on details and if I click on edit, nothing's going to happen. That's because even if I click on edit, nothing's going to happen here. So we need to change that ID. Let's get to our code and we're going to minimize this thing here. And you can see that we have edit employee model. I'm going to change that to job. Okay. And let's open this up and you can see we have employee edit. I'm going to change that to job edit. Let's save that. Let's see how that looks. If I get to the browser, click on details, if I click on edit, you can see that loads the edit employee details model. And the same thing happens here. If I click on edit, you can see that loads up the edit employee details. So I'm going to change those details in the model now. Let's get to our code. And here, I'm going to change that to job. Okay. And if I scroll down, you can see that we have this form. Okay. So I'm going to get rid of this form entirely. That's because we have a form here for add jobs model. So I'm just going to copy this entire form. Okay, and let's minimize this. And here I'm going to paste it. So we just need to update some stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to set in a value. Now, like I said, the value is going to be more like 25, 07, 2022. Okay, save that. Let's check out that. Let's click on edit. And okay, that didn't work. So why is that? Okay, so we need to change that in reverse. That's going to be 2022 07 25. Let's save that. Now let's just check that out. I click on edit. Okay, that worked. Okay, the next thing what I need is the job name. So let's get back to our code, and here I'll set the value as graphic designer. And it'll change the placeholder. Okay, so let's the placeholder be as it is. Save that. Okay, and by clicking on this button, you can actually add the job and like update the job. So right now it says add job. So I'm going to change that to update job. Let's get to the browser here. If I click on edit, you can see we have update job and close. Now we want the update to be in warning message, and we want the close to be in danger message. Let's save that. Okay, so if I click on details, we have edit details. If I click on edit, that's going to open up the edit job models, and here you can see that we have this. And if I click on close, that's going to close that. Now the next thing left for us to do is the delete model. If I click on this right now, nothing happens, but you're going to see how you can add that functionality in the next class.